IATF 16949 and ISO 13485. From consumer electronics and medical devices to automotive, aerospace, and machine vision, we design custom cables built for performance. Our lineup includes LVDS micro coaxial waterproof, molded and industrial cables using top connectors from Molex, JST, Tyco, and more. We offer a variety of pin configurations and fine pitch options, including ultra-thin micro coaxial wires down to 4/8 AWG. Count on us for reliable quality, fast lead times, and the support you need to stay ahead. Reach out today and let's create the perfect solution for your business. IATF 16949 and ISO 13485. From consumer electronics and medical devices to automotive